Up everyone, Tech Tony here, Pathfinder Digital Marketing, and this is a live audit of me checking out this company, Valley Springs Recovery Center. And as always, this video is strictly for educational purposes only. I'm not working for them at all or anything like that. I actually discovered them while doing research for another company. Saw something I just wanted to point out in this video. So, the whole point of a website is to collect data. Efficiently collect data. Now, technically speaking, in our industry, there's no such thing as bad data. You just gotta shuffle through the muck to find the good stuff. But the biggest thing that affects companies is if their analytics is set up properly. Now, I don't know if this is a commercial company or a 501c3, whatever it may be. Data needs to be collected properly. How do you find me? What are you doing on my website? Why are you here? What goals does your website need to complete? Because the majority of the time, 95% of the time, your website is going to be the first interaction that somebody has with your business before they even talk to somebody. If not for sure, minimum, the second interaction as well. So let me go over something. Now remember, I don't have access to any of their accounts or whatnot. We use third-party material when conducting audits before they give us access to their analytics. You kind of just don't want to hand that out to anybody you want. But so essentially, the tools provided by Google, it's kind of like explaining a house through a bedroom window type of situation, or through the bathroom window, trying to say how many bedrooms it is. So can I be wrong? Yes, but this is essentially we work with what we got type of situation. So we're going to go ahead and connect to the site. Actually, hang on. Before we do that, take a look at this. This is Google Tag Assistant. And as we can see, they have 6 total freaking tags or tracking sequences on this website. Why that many? No idea. I work with companies that are traded globally on multiple stocks and markets and whatnot, and they don't got this many tags out there. Right? We're talking about huge companies. This is extremely unnecessary. And if you look down here, multiple Google Analytics tags detected. And this is causing an issue. Let me show you what that issue is. Now let's connect to it. Give the system a minute to connect. All right. So starting right away, we have an issue with the tag. Now, to an untrained eye, you might not know what to look for, but don't worry. This is a base level of what's happening here. There are 2 page view hits on here. Let me show you what happens when I click. So you can see I'm doing this live. Let's go to this blog or whatever this is. Whoa, lots of things happening here. Page view, page view, page view, page view, engage view. So what this is saying is that I saw 2 pages. Yep, that's what this is saying. So, as a website visitor, I am one person. It's just me on this website right now, by myself. What this is reporting back to their analytics is falsely inflating the numbers. So it says that instead of 1 page view, 2 page views. In this case, 4, and 2 user engagements. Whatever those engagements are, I don't know. It's not properly labeled, but I'm engaging with the website. Let's see, is there scroll depth on here? Let's scroll down a little bit. I didn't even register me scrolling on the website. You want to, so in Google Tag Manager, you can build a tag called scroll depth. In fact, you don't even have to build it anymore. They're already built for you. You gotta apply them. And that gives us information how far on the length of the website, how far down someone will scroll on the page. Because we want to keep the important stuff up at the top. You know, your call to action, PDF to download, whatever it may be, a video. You want the good stuff at the top of the page. So people will scroll down. We can measure that and be like, all right, people aren't saying the download PDF or apply here button type of situation. And that's why that's important. So, a few things here. If I was this company's digital marketer, the first thing I would do is make sure that the tagging sequences are correctly measuring, and I will also apply a scroll depth because, as you can see, this is a pretty long page, and this blog, whatever it is even a longer page. I want to see how long people are staying on this website per page, and how far down they're scrolling and actually reading this information. This is a little bit of some pro tips of what I would recommend if I was this company's digital marketer. If you want your website to be audited, let me know. I'll be more than happy to do a free site audit for you and your company.